What's the deal, gang? What's up, y'all? It is the first, the last, who knows? Who knows? Oh yeah, I dropped the beard. I didn't drop the wisdom, I dropped the beard. Looking. My daughter said, "Daddy, you got a small face now." Why you? No, she said, "Why you have such a small face?" Because she used to having a big beard. Every time I get a cut, she's like, "Oh my God, you got a small face." Now she was just like, "Why you got a small face again?" Right, let's mark up some levels. About to watch the Copa America. Damn. I was really rooting for Slovakia and Georgia today. Fuckers, they both scored first and they both lost. So now it's Mexico. We're gonna watch Mexico today. They need a win to move on. The soccer farmer in the house. Alright, chat. So the monthly here has opened up because technically Asia Monday. you've had a bullish weekly closure, but it's a weak bullish closure that never closed above the previous weekly candle. And if we look, that was a, I'm sorry, that was a weekly, and the monthly here closed doji, right? So previous monthly before that was a steep bullish candle. So here's the deal. We didn't see, we kept making higher highs, higher lows. We didn't make a higher high here, but we did not make a lower low. So we don't really have a change of structure, right? Any moment we should fill the top wick or a large part of it and grab a top wick on this monthly, right? It just depends how steep the drive down will be, or will we grab that top wick first to continue down? What are we going to do, right? If we on this monthly break the lows but don't break the highs, then it's highly likely next monthly candle will come down in August. Let's go down to the weekly. Weekly, we kind of held support here at 22.93, but that doesn't mean we can't break it, right? Because we're going to head down for a little bit based on the fact we didn't break the previous daily high, previous weekly high. Now, daily closed bearish. Bearish at a resistance. But a minor one. Some levels to come up here. There's still room to come up on the daily. The daily is opened up here with no top wick, right? Coming down. So once it finds a support, you're going to expect the daily to make a top wick. Or come up, grab orders on a smaller time frame before heading down. It's our 4 hour. Okay. These are our immediate ranges. This is what we'll look play at. This is where we'll look for play at. Jesus. Speaking faster than I'm thinking. We got national anthems. Oh yeah, it's the Mexican national anthem. How can I help you? The charger, fine. You can borrow my charger. Here. I know what you need it for. You can say, hey, can I borrow the charger, please? Here. Come here. Give me a hug. Shit, forgot I was muted. I want to see if we can close bullish here. Ideally a strong bullish push on. I want a 15 and a 30. I want all of the time frames closing bullish here. You have a level here, right? If we're able to close bullish above there, actually, I think here, 23, 27 to fill out the range to the top. But for now, we're in this, you know, in this 1 hour range, in this 30-minute range. Very interesting. So 4 hours bearish, right? We see that the 4 hour is at 23.19. You're expecting to get down there before any kind of drive up, right? You've had this rejection off the higher time frame level. Every time you reject from up here, you fill the range down on the higher time frame. So let's see if we can get an indication of the 4 hour closing bearish below 23.23. 8:23. Let's check the 23-minute time frame. What? See what others don't. Yo. I literally just paid them. I'm gonna figure out what's going on after stream because this is wild.
Yo, that shit's been logging me out too, bro, for some reason.
Yeah, I just don't want to go through this shit again. I have all my private info on the screen, but I'm gonna figure out after stream. Trading view.
What's up, Wix?
What's up?
Where's everybody today?
I don't know. If you took a vacation, people are like, fuck that. We ain't taking attendance. They used to show up when you were in here. They were afraid you give them a 0 for the day. How was your trip?
It was good, man. It was crazy good.
Yeah, I can imagine with family. It's got to be a lot of fun. The kids love that kind of shit.
Yeah. It was a nice time to disconnect. So.
Yeah, I have those. I think before any push up, right? Before we come up to these areas, right? Before we drive up to the next range, we always seem to tap these 23.19 areas. We don't just typically reject here. If there's a drive down, we'll come down here. See the drives, all the drives down from these areas, from up here, they all come all the way down 23.19. So I'd like to finish out the range before moving up. Get this sort of double bottom here. I want to see how it can be done. Can we look for some closures here? The hourly didn't close below. Damn, the hourly closed bullish too, huh?
What? Oh, yeah, I think you got some people to it.
Let's wait for a bearish closure here below 23.23. If we get something like that on the 30 or 15, right? I'd want a top wick to this area. If we can get a top wick to there, we will look for flips to finish out the range. If not, we wait for this support to be established and a drive back up. Maybe it's just not time yet. There's a chance it establishes a support here, and you see a push. Oh, whoops! What am I doing? Right to these areas, and then you'll see this. So let's wait. It can happen now, it can happen later, but we need an indication of a volume, which means a closure below, and then we need to establish this level as resistance by tapping at least 23.76 and then breaking the lows.
Yeah, I think this 23.23 is gonna play a role for the next couple of days.
Oh yeah, it's
A
23.23
monthly
flat.
and a weekly. I always just round it, but yeah, 23. Basically the bottom of all these wicks we've been tapping. I just pulled it up and it's a monthly body candle and a weekly. So when they're combined like that, the weeklies, the monthlies, and the dailies, then I just label that level strong and I like make it bold because it's been respected on the dailies, weekly, and monthly. Like with a monthly closure, basically, right? So.
Do you see this bearish candle? How is this a bearish candle right now? How is price here on a bearish candle? Bearish candle can't move up. You guys watching this?
Oh, because we're open.
What the fuck is going on?
Gotta drop in the zoom
the price, right? It's gonna flip and what? It's gonna be green now, or it's gonna flip and stay red? What's gonna happen?
Oh, what?
Do you see what I'm saying? The price is on top of the bearish candle. It's on.
Wait.
I'm not tripping. Price should be right here on the bottom.
Yo,
right now, this should be a bullish candle.
My 4 hours green. Yeah, my 4 hours green.
Go to TradingView. What you mean?
Yeah, it's green. On a Wanda chart, it's green.
Nah. Bruh.
Yo, I swear.
What the fuck is this? Yo. Nah. This candle should be green right now.
Yeah, mine is green.
Because when it flips, it should turn red right now. Like when it's flipping, it should turn red. Yo, you glitching on us. I don't know. I've never seen this shit. This don't make
mine
no
is
sense.
Green. Yo, restart your trading view or something, bro.
Nah.
Mine's the same as Rick's.
Yours is red also, right?
Yes, red.
What? What's wrong with you guys?
That's not us.
Mine's just reading green, so I don't know what's going on.
You guys see this?
Green, bro.
On the 4 hour? On the 4 hour
Yeah.
is red.
4-hour candle?
Oh, look.
Yep, same as
Oh, look.
Ricky 4 hour.
No, look. I just posted it in there. Mine is green. My Wanda chart is green.
Yeah, I'm on one-handed also, and mine's just reading green.
Strange.
Hold on. There's something wrong in the settings then. This shouldn't be red. There you go.
There
What
you
did you
go.
do?
Color
Success.
bar is based on previous close. It needs to be unchecked.
Sorry, say that
Under
again.
symbol and chart settings. I'll put it in the chat.
Okay, thanks.
You right click and go to settings and then go to symbol. And then the color bars needs to be unchecked.
Damn. Yo,
You're wild, bro.
that's crazy. I don't even know why I even thought of that.
Ah.
Settings. Common sense be common sensing. That's when you can tell I'm thinking clearly. The solution comes right away. That was wild. So right now this chart makes a lot more sense. Right? Bullish candles are bullish, bearish candles are bearish. Oh, don't drive through on us. Don't drive through. Close. Get a nice bearish closure. It's very interesting to me. I think we might be looking for that lower level to be broken. This kind of makes a little more sense. Let's see how we close here. I'm kind of interested for the 5, but damn, below the most recent looks lovely, right? Too, but let's be sure. Oh shoot, a whole bunch of people in here. Oh, Eddie's not coming through.
Yo.
What's up?
I think that he's out shopping.
Mm-hmm. Gotta feel those profits. Gotta feel 'em. Yo, Javier, your pool is not covered, right? It's open, right?
Yeah, it's open.
Yo, how often you clean your pool?
I sweep it like once a week.
Okay, so I clean my shit once a week on Wednesdays, and by like Friday, Saturday, after these rains, it's just turns green. You get the same shit?
No, is yours chlorine?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably why. You probably got to put a chlorinator blast in it.
I be getting everything
Mine-
done
mine-
on Wednesday, but like every
mine-
time it rains, the very next day, just the whole pool green. Only when it rains. If it doesn't rain, great. But when it rains, the whole shit turns green.
Yeah, and I'll see mine is a saltwater pool. And all I really have to do is I put muriatic acid in it
Yeah.
once a week.
My Airbnb is a saltwater pool. That's so
Yeah,
easy.
I think it's much easier to maintain.
Oh, there's about to be a penalty kick
Well,
for Mexico. Ecuador just had a handball. Yep, he's giving a penalty. Oh, no, he didn't give a penalty kick. He said incidental. Damn.
I'm an
We got-
idiot, bro. I was waiting for the game on the Euro channel.
Well, it is on the Euro channel. Same channel as the...
No, because I'm on the fire. I'm on the Fire Stick.
Oh, all right. Let's say it's Fox and FS1. Yeah, we got a 15-minute closure here, gang, in a couple of minutes. In 2 minutes. Let's see if we can close below here and get a top wick. At this point, I'd want a nice push down. I also, all right, no positions. If we don't have a bottom wick, I'm not gonna look for one, and I'm not gonna look for a position if we don't get a top wick to 23.7 here. We do great. We don't. We just keep waiting. And if the 15 closes with no bottom wick, it'll probably drive a little further down, and you'll get a 30 closure. We need those bottom wicks. We need some range here. And that is not what I call a bottom wick. So maybe just a lot of bearish momentum, and it's just going to continue down here for a little while. Or maybe this is no range and we come up. But the 30 is still open here, so it looks like there's a lot of momentum off this area. And we know we need to tap 23.19 before coming up. But we'd want a steeper drive down because we want a wick to be created. We want some range to be established for us, right? Yes, beautiful. Oh, I love you too. Oh, you got them? You took them? Yeah. You're welcome. We'll wait in this first 30. We've created a top wick here, but I don't like the fact that we don't have a bottom wick. I don't want to come down here, create a bottom wick, and then drive back up in range. So I want to establish a range first that we can trade. Got to realize the previous hourly's closed bullish, right? So at any moment this can drive up, flip bullish, and we're just creating a bottom wick for the hourly, right? And at this point, if the hourly comes up and flips in the first 30, then we're coming up. If it doesn't flip, you're getting a bearish 30 closure. It's a little tough to take the break of the highs here until you actually close bullish above 23.25. But be patient, the month just opening up. Quarter 3. Q3 chat. If we can close like this here on the 30, that would give us a bottom wick, and that would, even though the 15 would close bullish, it would close bullish respecting resistance. Right, if we can close like this, then you're just waiting for a top wick. This bullish momentum to close off the 30 should give a top wick, but the fact that you closed under here should bring it back down, and then we'll look for positions to come down. If we're able to tap 23, 23.7 at the very least. So wait, 11 minutes. This is going to be a long 11 minutes. How's Pops doing? Good. I went to see him today, brought him all his grandkids. We was there for the Euro. Watched the Euros together. Yeah, he's doing better. Better and better. That's the real W? Yeah, for sure. 100%. It's definitely the W that matters. perfect example of why we wait here with no bottom wick on the previous candle. No range. Not yet. Could get somewhat interesting here on the hourly. You typically don't see O and a gap. It's rare for Oanda to have a gap on it. The broker, fine. But on TradingView here, Oanda, I have not seen it gap too many times. A few times. Fucking thing. Five closing. Interesting, right? 5 closed bearish below range. This 5 came up, tapped that area, but never came back down to flip. So you're gonna have a 5 closing back in range. 15 closes in 5 more minutes. That's the 30 closure. All right, 2 minutes here, 2 minutes for the 30. And we were already tapped this area, right? We've come up and tapped that area we wanted to. So if it comes down now, You just want a closure below 2323.2. No, 2322.9. And then you'd want a top wick, but not a steep top wick. So if we look at the 5, yeah, 2323.2 would be fine for a top wick, but you would need to close below here. We don't close below there, I can't look for a position. What up, Bouge? You want to leave a bottom wick? 1 minute. It's tough, right? The 5 pull back, close above the most recent. How do we close? We did close below on the 30 and 15 though. Or did we? Because let's look at it. We did. We barely closed below. I want a top wick. So let's create a top wick, and then the rebreak of the lows will have a sell stop. Let's see that 15 closed. Respecting. What do we tap here? I'm gonna have a sell stop here. On the break of the current 30 low. My sell stop is right here. 9 support, right? 5 support. But we made a bottom wick and we've come up. 30 was a strong push down. I want to see how we close, depending on how the 5 closes here as well. If the 5 closes above and doesn't flip in 2 minutes, then we will delete. It's weird on the broker, the 30 respected the closure here. It closed above here on the broker. Alright, 30 seconds here, gang. I'm gonna delete the sell stops. It's closing bullish here, back up in range, didn't flip. 15 seconds, broke the previous candle high. For now, we wait. Too much. 11 pips to the hourly flip. What you gonna do, gold? That is a strong push. The 30 closed below the most recent though, right? There's a chance the 30 comes back down. You guys looking for positions on the flip here? I'm thinking about it, but I don't want this to be a top wick for the 30. Damn, but this can push, right? Hold on. How much more to the range? $15 pips. How much time? 6 minutes. That is a strong flip, though. Yeah, I'm gonna take a buy right here. I just took a buy on that hourly flip. That's a lot of momentum for an hourly to grab. It's got 15 pips to the top of the range, which should be our. It's grabbed all these orders. So once you flip, you figure the top of the range here is your 15 pips, your advantage point. Right. Let's see. Really based off the hourly, and that we got time and room to go. So we'll see. Set advantage point 2326.5, where you should be BE at the very least. And if we look previously where we've had such a rejection and a push like that, with this wick, it came up to here, right, to these areas. That was roughly 20 something pips. I think that was also the 4-hour flip, right? The 4-hour no, it didn't re-break the highs. It re-broke the hourly highs. To re-break the 4-hour highs, we'd have to be up here, which would be 11 pips. Five close, no top wick. Interesting, interesting, interesting. And really going based off the hourly level and the fact that the hourly has come back to flip after tapping these same levels where we flipped previously on the hourly, and it tapped the top of this range. Yeah, it flipped. Previous candle was closed back in range. We've tapped the level lower. Yeah. Nothing I do differently here. I'm taking that flip. $90 here in the 15. So you'd want a bullish closure up here, bottom wick on the next candle, and a drive up. One minute. Can the 5 hold? Can the 15 hold above here? Okay, so the 15 closed bullish above there. Right, maybe the 5 gives it a little bit of bearish momentum for this bottom wick. $13 minutes for the 4-hour to close as well. Obviously want a bullish 4-hour. Add text, don't add text. Now, if we start coming down here and you're getting 4-hour closures, I will look for pineapples probably after a bullish closure at 23.19. But until then, I'm expecting the market to come up and tap 23.31 before any decision. Whether it's from here or from here, we do expect it 23.19 at some point. Whether it's after 23.31 or before, and eventually to the 23.31. And halftime, 0-0. Mexico. This 30 doesn't look that great. Looks like a top wick for the 30, but we closed back in range on the 15. Or did we? Because you could have had it like this, right? And then it closed right at it. Depends on how you have that level.
We got China Open coming 12 minutes.
What was that?
We got China Open coming in 12 minutes.
Yeah, 4-hour closure.
I really wanted that 23.19 touch for to go long. That's what I was kind of waiting for.
It still might happen. We might get it as pineapples. Don't want to wait till then. Shit. That hourly, after tapping here, had no business breaking its own high.
Yeah.
But obviously, if that's not enough orders, but it still wants to come up, 23.19 likely. Yeah, and the 15 closing back above here. I'm not expecting this 15 to come back down, but I guess we will. Yeah, the hourly flip and the 15 closing back in range. You would expect this 15 to create a bottom wick here and come up. So, yeah, I think we have to wait in the 4-hour closure. China Open will be key here. Let me get the electronic one. I don't have it. I think you took it. Definitely don't want to see a rebreak of the lows on the fucking on the hourly. And you also have the overall range, like the overall range is here, right? This area to here, so it's we'll see which range this plays. Found it? Sorry, I forgot I was on mute for a second. Five minutes. Okay, respect at this level. It'll be a long 4 minutes because you could get a 4-hour flip here. But then if it's a 4-hour like candle, it'd be tough. But if it's a 4-hour bearish candle and it leaves a bottom wick, we're gonna look to manage positions. So we'll see. We gotta wait for it to close to really have an idea. It's also a rejection area, so it's tough to close here because across the board here, right? This is what we just tapped. It's gonna be key. The 1-hour closure here, the 4-hour closure, that's the key. And you will see some extra volume here on the 4-hour. Let's flip the tape. I want a stronger 4-hour closure. This could, yeah, see we're respecting this area to the left here. It's 2 minutes here. Ninety seconds. Okay, the 15 flipped, right? Which is what we initially wanted from the closure back up in range, but you only have a minute to go. Just decided to do that flip last minute. But no need to bite your nails. You don't have to make the decision. The plan needs to make the decision for you. Ten seconds here. So the did close above. The 4-hour closed above. And now you have a 4-hour bottom wick, right? We said we'd see a little bit of volume off the opening, and this closed back up above everything. I'm still in here. I would expect this to drive up. We closed bullish, back up in range. The hourly's closed, well, it closed doji, but the 4 hours closed bullish back up above this range. If we start coming down here, yeah, I will have bottom wick entries and pineapples if we start tapping these areas at 2320, 2319. But obviously, I expect the bottom wick to drive up. It was a strong closure to close out the 4-hour, right? Back up in range. So expect the top wick on this 4-hour at some point. Okay, the 4-hour has reflipped here. I think it rebroke its own high. Can we break the previous hourly high? Gotta come up. Gotta grab some orders. I think we've come down, grabbed enough orders for the 4-hour. This is roughly our advantage point.
I think we can see 2326.
That's what I'm looking at, 2326 here.
Oh, there we go.
About 6, I only saw about 6 pips here. With spread.
Yeah,
My spread's over 3 right now, 2.5s.
If we break 2326, we got some room up.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Maybe 27, 28.
It's gonna be some room. struggling at this area.
Yeah,
It makes sense everywhere. It makes sense on every time frame. And we broke the previous candle high. We broke the low, and then we broke the previous candle high. And I think we need to break 23, 26 to break structure here.
Yeah.
Start coming up the other way, right? These candle highs, these wicks to the left, right here, which I think is the previous 4-hour high.
I got a little cluster of resistance here between 26, 28, all the way to 27. I would say if we break this, we can push hard. That was 26 right there.
Oh, we tapped 26, right? I didn't close anything. I didn't even see. Damn. Damn, that sucks.
That was right at 26. I might get stopped out breaking.
I didn't even close anything. By the time I turned my terminal, it's like it's minus 4 pips. That was quick as hell. Damn.
I got stopped out breaking.
Yeah, this might come down to the bottom of the range. Fuck.
You guys hear my kids screaming?
Shut.
No?
I'm gonna close. Wait. I'm not closing yet. I'm looking to see if we can get a 5 closure right now. There's 30 seconds left in this 5. I was gonna say I'm gonna close break even, but the 5 hasn't closed yet. So I wanna see how this 5 performs here. Damn, 23, 26. That was 13 pips. I didn't even realize it. Fuck. That's not even the 5 close. Yeah, I'm gonna close right here. I'm gonna close at break even. This is not pretty. This was the advantage point, right? Once you tap it, you come back down. I'm gonna wait for a closure now. Previous 15, no top wick. We've tapped the advantage point. I'm out here at BE gang. Fuck. I wanted to close half here. It can still come up, but the advantage point was tapped, so now it's kind of 50-50, right? Once you're driving up here, you don't have that top wick. Now you have the top wick and you're down to, like, back in the day, I would just hold this, dude. And sometimes it would go, right? It would go your way, but the thing is, we've tapped the advantage point and have come back. If I was really, if I was doing what I was, or if I had time or paid attention for an extra second, I probably would have closed half here at 13 and we would have hit BE, so I wouldn't be in this position. What was that? Yeah, I was typing in my lots on managing positions because I wanted to close 75% of my position, and while I was typing in the lots, this shit just went doop doop. Fuck, but I'm no longer in here. Yeah, fuck. Watch this shit come up too.
I'm still in on one account. The other account is stopped.
Damn, gang. I was sure we're getting this level and we're gonna get a closure here.
I mean, the solo.
And then Javier said, "Oh,
20.
it tapped it." By the time I look at it, I'm at minus 4 pips. I'm like, "How the fuck?"
The one was still over 22.90. I'm still bullish.
Yeah, I just don't want to come down tap 23.19 after we've tapped 23.26 here. I don't want to come down tap 23.19. I'd rather wait for it to tap that area and then take my super massive buy and just stack at 23.19. Right? Bullish. The 4 hour gave you a bullish closure here. If you break the lows and then start reflipping, rebreaking the highs, you're fucking stacking. But this son of a bitch just tapped, came back.
Yeah,
Good
you guys
closure
hear
though.
my
Look at
kids
that
screaming?
5. The 5 closed really well for you. Came up, came down, still ended up bullish. It's probably gonna give you that move now. Fuck you. Fuck you.
If we break 2750, we're gone. That 15 is looking nice now.
Yeah. Looking nice now. I'm not in.
I won't tell you what my other fill is.
It's tough, right? Look, the previous 15 closes a light candle. You hit your advantage point, come back down, flip bearish. You're like, all right, light candle. We tapped advantage point to have a top wick on the 4 hour. We're flipping bearish. The 4 hour might drive down to the bottom of the range to grab more orders.
Gonna be doing this focus sometimes. Still not as bad as New York.
I still think we're going to come down and tap 23.19 before the move up. I honestly think, like, you might get a push up here, but we're going to come back down 23.19. We just had this. This was a lovely advantage point here. 13 pips, you close. If you drive through, boom, you're good. But right on the off chance, but fucker. And I think this is also one of the big differences from Asian and New York. In New York session, this is driving through. It's not bouncing off that minor level.
Yo, guys, I'm on. You guys are screaming.
Oh, we don't hear them. They're good.
No?
Nah. When you talk to your wife, we hear that. You still in here?
Yeah.
I knew you would be. Are you sizing in? Do you leave like a small portion in here and then you're going to add on as we start breaking highs?
Well, on the one account, I got a fill at 23.54. On the other account, I only put a stop on my first fill, but my ad is still running.
You
That
said
one's a little higher. That one's at
23.54?
20.
Yeah, I got 2360 as well.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh, you're on futures. Yeah.
No. On
No.
on XAU. At 23. Yeah, bro.
2023.
23.54?
Yeah.
Bro, that's like up here.
23, as in like
Yeah, it's up 20,
23
30
points.
points already.
Wait, you're in a
so-
sell?
No, I'm gonna buy, bro.
At
no, he's
20?
talking about the last two digits of the 2000, like 23.
Yeah, 23,
Oh!
23.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yo. I'm like, damn, dog, how are you gonna buy up here? That's a while back.
No. One account I'm in 23, 23, 34, and on the other account 23.58. But I had filled both accounts at 23.34, and I only set a stop at break even for one. I had added one, but I forgot to set the stop on that one, so that one's still running.
Nice. Damn. I wish the signal channel people would show up here. I don't know if they, I hope they do. I hope the signal, I don't know if they do. That's what I'm saying. I wish is not a good right word. I hope the signal channel people show up here because they'll get a chance to see why I mentioned. Because right now they're like, why'd he close? It's moving up. But at least they'll understand and be in tune with what I do.
Wait, do signals get access to Sunday Zoom?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought. If they buy the signals, then
They
they
get access to everything.
to
Wix's
everything, right?
table, all of the channels,
Yeah,
the Zoom.
That's what I
everything.
thought. I think Spectral had He was confused with that earlier
They
today.
get everything.
But somebody asked, I forgot. I think it was Hank.
We had a nice W on Friday too. I mean, all the news days, the Signal channel has been eating.
Damn, Venezuela just scored again. 2-0.
No, they didn't. I have
Yeah.
0-0 still.
2-0.
Still 0-0.
No, I'm watching Venezuela, Jamaica. You're watching Mexico.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ecuador and Mexico. Yeah, you're right. Well, it's Jamaica. They've lost, I think, every single game. You know, I got to be honest with you. They have like some individual players that have really good potential, but as a team, they suck. They just can't get it together. They're all over the place. But they got heart. Goal. About to be a goal by Mexico. Fuck. Damn, the US has really underperformed, huh? And how the fuck did Canada make it into the quarterfinals or the round of 16 without winning a game? I think they have one goal the whole tournament. Canada. Meanwhile, the US is about to go home tomorrow. England had a really pretty goal today. What was that?
Yeah, I'm in longs.
I'll speak.
Oh.
Same entry,
Oh, okay.
pretty much.
Let's go.
Oof, nice closure. Maybe a bottom wick here on the 15. That's lovely. That's a good 15 closure. But. We're not in. It's still below this little area here to the left. Right? If you look at the levels here that bring you up. Right there. It's good. You broke structure, right? 4-hour rebroke highs. So the higher time frame, you put your trust in the higher time frame. Technically, you should be up what, 13, 14, 15 pips here, if you held the position that we had. Broke the previous 5-minute lows that had no bottom wick.
$13 to the next volume boost.
Is there a trade evade sound on stream, on Zoom? Or was that me?
That would be Javier.
What happened?
No, I just heard like trade evade alerts, like when your positions get closed, but it didn't say like the order filled. Just the actual alert
I'm on
sound.
trade evade today.
Yeah.
I'm not on trade evade today.
That's not me.
I got jump scared. Fuck.
Yo, wait, you still trading futures?
I haven't
Yeah, on
deposited
Apex.
money into my account yet. I haven't traded them since the funded accounts. I didn't pass either. I had two not such great weeks to start off last month, and then I was like, all right, I'm not gonna buy another challenge because I'm gonna have a live account. It just becomes a waste of time for me, because it just takes me like 8 times longer to make what I make on a live account because of the rules and the drawdown. Man dies after being struck by lightning at park in Davie, Florida.
Dang.
I don't know if you call
That's-
that lucky or unlucky.
That's crazy. They got video of it. Person was killed at Vista View Park in Davie on Sunday after being struck by lightning. That's crazy. And they're showing video, a dude just laying down next to a park bench and another dude sitting next to him waiting for police to show up. Okay, 5 back in range. So you guys saw about 15, 16 on there. Well, let me at that BE. BE number 68.
And one more.
Mm-hmm.
One more
68.
B and you gotta turn around.
68, and the market owes me one. That was a high school joke. I remember back in high school. Want a 69? Nope. But let's do 68, and you owe me one.
No, it was like, what was the speed limit for sets? 68, because at 69 you gotta turn around.
Dad jokes, chat. Dad jokes.
Yep.
You guys have bad jokes? We have dad jokes. Yo, Mexico's about to score. Keep knocking on the door. They keep hitting that support or that resistance, and at some point resistance gonna break.
Bro, both games earlier today were crazy, bro.
Yeah, the England gold was sick. Honestly, I was looking for Slovakia. I was rooting for them. I just needed an underdog in the next round, and they seemed like it. And on the 95th minute, 96th minute, I was yelling that the ref gave too much time. It should have been like 3 to 4 minutes. And then the 4th minute, I was at my pop's face like, too much time! This is terrible. He's like, nah, they got this. And then it should have been Ukraine instead of Slovakia. They beat Slovakia 2-1. I think they would have gave a better performance against England. England didn't show anything for the first 85 minutes. And then
Bro, for real.
And then they
Until
put on
the
a
last
fucking
5
clinic.
minutes.
And then they put on a clinic in the last 5 minutes. It's wild.
Oh, is China Open gonna give us a break?
It's a nice bottom wick here on the 15. You still got 6 minutes to go. First 15 minutes it spent making a bottom wick. You'd think it'd give you a push up, or maybe, you know, that gladiator candle up.
I got a level here at 25 to mil.
Looking nice. It was a good closure above the most recent on the 15. 6 minutes for that 30. What's up? It's gone. It went away. You see? That's awesome. If you don't pick at it, it goes away. Give me the other foot. Is it still there? Oh, a little bit. It's going away too. Tickle, 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 tickle. Alright, I'm glad it's going away. That's awesome. Close my door, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oof. Oof. 5 minute. Oh, the 1 minute up there. Whee! So what else can we do here? Let's see, bullish 30 here above here.
We break 2750. We're
Yeah, I got so many lines here. Let me redo this.
Is anybody in chat still holding?
There's a few brave souls. Not everybody does exactly what I do. I think there's people here.
Yeah, I'm still holding.
Let's go, SO.
Let's go.
33 pips. Let's go.
On Apex? SO?
Yeah.
Yeah, Apex.
Wait, Twix, have you shared what prop you used, or do you not share it?
I used. What did I use up here? I used Apex and the other one. Fuck, what is it called? Top Step.
And the two standards for now. I'm hearing.
No, he they didn't survive.
No, yeah, I mean, like, that's the two standard, like, prop firms that I'm hearing.
Oh, yeah. Everybody,
Apex
yeah.
and Top Step.
And then MFF, my funded future. So
Yeah, I think like, if this goes well, if I get the payouts, I probably will split my funds between getting. Oh wait.
pushing. 40 pips here.
Is it close to here?
This is gonna be a trim here.
No, my target
your
was
first.
the daily highs.
It's your first
That we got
time
on
frame resistance.
news.
This is a. What is this? Oh, this is the other monthly level, 2750. Previous
I'm not
month.
gonna be greedy.
But if this keeps going, we're
There's
probably
never
not coming
anything
back.
wrong with securing positions, taking profits.
Yeah, we're still in it. This is a safe place to close. Or at least show your stops now.
After last week, I said that if I see 1K profit, I'm closing regardless of whether we have room or not. I got hurt by that last week too.
Yeah, if I'm being honest with myself, I would not be in this drive regardless. Whether we managed risk at 13 or we didn't, I would have hit BE. I would have been at BE after tapping 23, 26, expecting that this initial this would have happened off the rip. This drive would have came on the flip.
It's 4 a.m. and we already got sunrise.
It was worth it though, right? Got some W's.
Oh, I wake up at 8 p.m. So it's like
Night out.
lunchtime for me now.
No top wick here. 15. No top wick on a 30.
Yeah, close the position.
Oof. Right at the area, right?
Yeah. Yeah, shouldn't be too greedy.
Straight to sell, nice holds.
Very tempting to look for more buys on the flip of this 30 if we go further down.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah. No, I'm.
Nope, it flipped.
That's not a pretty closure, to be honest with you. This level.
Oh, I
this
have a
level-
top wick on my end.
on the previous candle.
Yeah.
No, I'm just looking based on the closures here to the left. Top wick or not. There's a minor one. It's there, but it's minor. I think it's the closure itself here.
Hey, we got some room.
There's a lot of bullish momentum though, right off that area, right off that level, right off 23,
Yeah,
23.
no. I'm just worried about this level. There's just quite a bit of weeks there. I'll wait.
That's a lovely top wick though on the 4 hour. If this rejects here and we get a closure below 23, 23, if we reject. The way it's printing right now, it's looking like it's going to retest the highs or print the shoulder here. But if it's printing a shoulder, right, then there's no push down until the next 4 hour candle till 1 a.m. Otherwise, it's coming all the way up here. But if this is the shoulder and it does it and doesn't close here, doesn't stay at this level, but rejects now before the 4 hour close, once the smaller time frame starts closing below 23, 23, 23, then you're gonna head down to fill the 4 hour range here. But there's no entries now. If we can push up here and then pull back and close with a nice bullish candle on this 15 or 30 above here and a top wick, maybe we can take some buys to fill out the range. Then that would make sense. Right, so if we can come up here on this, I would love for this to come up and then close with a top wick. And I would love for that to be a 30. because right now the previous 30 closed with no top wick. So if we can do this, right, we'll look to finish up the range and look some buys from these areas. But we want this candle to close with a top wick, so that's why I want a strong push up now for the next 30, next 15. What I don't want is to tap 2330 before we get a position. So I'll push up, but not all the way up there.
Eddie, bro.
How did that 5 close? Yeah, that 30's scary.
Got 2850. Solid. I trimmed some there.
Went to the gym yesterday, and as I was doing a bench press, I sat down on my hair and leaned back. And if for the women, they must know that when you sit on your hair or when you lay down on your hair, you can't get up because then it's stuck behind you and you're like, ugh. So I had to drop the weights and roll off the bench because I couldn't get up. Even with no weights, like my hair was stuck behind my back and I'm like, ugh. I'm like, ugh. And I'm sitting on it or laying down on it and I can't, literally every time I go, it's like someone pulling me back with my hair. So I had to roll off the bench.
Starting to relate to that too. My hair got them long enough to where I can sit on it now as well.
This shit is long. Like, I gotta extend my whole arm and it's still not.
Yeah. Mine are always tied up though. Like, I've never wear them loose.
Just down to like fucking my knees and shit.
Oh, you can't see black on black. But yeah, it's long as fuck.
I'm about to put some gel in it, stand it up, and literally be Marge Simpson for Halloween.
Bro, make a giant
Homer!
Like punk haircut, you know, like the spikes. What's it called? Where it's like in the middle, like that.
Mohawk?
Oh yeah, mohawk. Make a giant mohawk.
Be Marge Simpson. Or we could do Rabbi Wicks. We could do Rabbi Wicks. Hold on, I got this.
Wait, are they still locked or do you have them loose now?
Oh, you can't tell.
Oh, yeah, I can't see now.
I got the rabbi curls, hold on.
What the hell?
Imagine you cut off everything and left just the two strands on the sides. That's it.
Dreidel, dreidel, bitch.
You should wrap it around your microphones one day, your headphones, so you can look like the princess from Star Wars.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I
Princess
forget her
Leia.
name. Princess Leia.
Huh.
That'll get someone's attention. Yo, like that.
Or just make a knot on your chin. Pretend it's your beard.
Yeah, we went over that before. That'd be wild. Look like fucking dead man's chest. Pirates of the Caribbean. That'd be wild like this.
Mad Max type of beards.
For the whole month of Christmas, bro, you gotta rock to YouTube. Like
Yo, if I get I just get a string, tie this shit up like this, put on a Santa hat, and I get a string to hold it here. You can't even tell the difference. This is my dread beard.
Nah,
Yeah, just spray it with spray and paint. The hair
put a
paint.
Put a
The
Santa hat
temporary
on.
one. Make the hair white, you know?
I'm just gonna start
make
taking.
sure that shit don't catch on fire when you go outside.
Just be a fucking Rasta Santa Claus and shit. Wagwan, my youth. What's a bitch ass white boy like you want for Christmas? Ya want some poom poom?
Right. Reminds me of that.
Me are going to deliver the poom poom.
There's this
Them back
Jamaican white
shots? You
guy.
want them back shots?
Bro.
Yo, it's a good thing we're doing this on a fucking private stream. This can't be on a public stream. Get adults to start making fucking with a Santa like that. Yeah, I'll have adults on my lap. Yeah, dirty girl, come over here. Come over here. Santa kneecap wait for ya.
Crazy.
No. That's fucked up.
You helping Jonathan this week?
Alright, yeah. Fuck the kids. Dirty guy. Oh man.
No.
At that point, you gifting the naughty ones, not the good ones.
Bumbaclad Rastaman. Rastaman Santa. What I say? Y'all want to spliff a bill for Christmas?
By the way, Wix, if you need...
Now Venezuela scored again.
Nice.
Oh.
Venezuela. If it was Colombia, shit. Me I make it snow on Colombia. Oh, I like Colombia. I think they're gonna win the Copa America this year. Yeah. 4-hour flips. The daily flips, and we break below. I mean, that's what I expect to see, like, in a Jamaican mall. That's the Santa I'd expect to see. Giving a little nickel bags and dime bags out to kids. Yes. Psst, don't tell your mama. Not a word.
Yeah, by the way, Wix, I know it's the Sunday private session, but I'm just saying, if you need me to clip stuff, I can clip like whenever something funny happens or shit like that.
Oh hell yeah! If you make a clip of something funny or something that like valuable or some conversation or a soliloquy by yours truly, right? If I go on like a little, 14-liner, yeah, that's cool. And just let me know you did it. Send it to me. This way I can edit it.
Yeah, for now I'm only clipping when some funny shit happens.
Funny shit, or if we get a trade, if there's a valuable breakdown.
If you go to the memes channel on Discord.
Is there memes? I haven't even looked at it.
Oh my god, bro.
Shit.
I saved that one.
Hold on.
I saved that one speed.
Hold on a second. Let me look. What's that condom on your head? It's your mother's. You know what? Sorry, what the fuck was that? Wait, hold on. What? I apologize. I apologize. Wait, hold on. What is? I missed it. I have my shit turned down. That condom on your head? It's your mother's. You know what? Sorry, we shouldn't go that way. I apologize. I apologize. My bad. Yo, we are not gonna do that shit. No, Wix. No. That's the beard. That's the beard talking. Stein. What the fuck? Yo. That's a good one, I gotta say to that. Should have made me cry for a second. That's the beard talking, that wasn't Wix.
Yeah, I also got this like from a while ago. I don't remember what stream it was, but you like popped up on Don's camera like that. I just have this as a sticker.
Oh, I know when that happened. My camera wasn't focusing, so he was like, smile. So I was like,
oh yeah.
And the shit, I waited for it to focus, so I was like, that was a while back. That's like last year. That's like November, I think.
Around there. I think maybe earlier.
Yeah, maybe even earlier last year. I don't know. At least last year. That's in my old house.
Yeah.
See that red painting behind me?
Yeah. Where is it? You gotta bring one.
The red painting?
Put it below the
It's
X9
right
logo.
It's to the right of me, right under the pineapple. Here. Hold on.
I see it. The pineapple too.
Oh, that's right. You had to move the pineapple from that back wall.
That shit was too bright. Yeah, but the pineapple's on whenever I have people over. It's a dope conversation starter.
Oh, the pineapple light?
Yeah, the pineapple.
Where's the...
It's right there.
Was it the real pineapple?
You just
or
turn it on,
one?
but your shit's growing yellow now.
Yeah, I turned it on because otherwise you can't see the painting or that side of the wall here. Here you can see that wall. Hold on. I don't know if you can see this shit. See it?
It's so bright. They're like a
yeah, and you can it's not like that in real life. It's just dim and you can see it, but like for some reason on camera it looks like it's like a holy light. And my little tripod that I used to shoot reels. Actually, I'm gonna buy a camera that's gonna go over there, and we're gonna have multiple views of the stream. One from like the side view, one from the front view. We're gonna get a security angle that goes from like the corner of the room. And the goal is for
Another one for your keyboard.
The goal is for you guys to be able to pick an angle.
Yeah, the security cam, the webcam, the keyboard cam, mouse cam, and another one just for dancing.
And a fucking heart rate monitor.
Yeah.
For those positions within the range. Yo, shit's gotta. You're getting turned off. All right, let's do some Christmas lights. There we go.
Didn't you also have like a plastic figurine of a pineapple? Or was that a real pineapple that used to like stay on your PC?
No, that's a real pineapple that I get like to stand every other week.
I remember the pineapple on the lizard tank. Classic. Oh damn, the lights go crazy.
Wait, I gotta slow that shit down.
As my friend called him when he saw my keyboard, I was like, oh damn, your keyboard got those LGBTQ lights. Man's not well versed.
Oh, that's sick, bro.
That's a good one, right?
Yeah, that's sick.
Slow it down. Or speed it up and this shit just... Cool light show. There's nothing to do. We're at a resistance, no top wick on the 30. Right? I mean, the only thing you can do here is wait for the 4 hour to come back down and re-break its own low. But if this hourly closes bullish, that drive down is going to be, I don't know, arbitrary. That's the word, because you have a bullish hourly closure back in range. But the thing is, you have a bearish 30 right now, right? So, well, if this is how we print to close out this hour in 6 minutes, we'll just call it a stream. If we start closing below here, I'll hang out for a little bit.
Yeah, and this thing's flipping too.
Because there's a chance, right? Remember, we said this could be the shoulder, and this could be a flip in one candle, right? We pointed this out. You had your motion playing out here, right? Boom, closure above, closure back in range here, right? And now you got that top wick to continue down. So that's your second shoulder here. But I can't confirm that unless we start breaking lows or closing bearish. So if we can get a bearish closure at this area, right, somewhere up here, then you can start saying, all right, we got a closure up here, top wicks. Now that's shoulder formed, and you can look for this. But this won't happen until New York, right, till pre-NY, because this is the 4 hour. So if this 4 hour closes bullish and the next one closes like this, by the time this candle rolls around, it's 5 a.m., right? By the time this candle rolls around. So it can happen in one candle, it can happen in many candles. It really depends what price levels you've tapped. Where's Hank? Hank never misses.
It's been gone since Friday.
Well, yeah, we
I
didn't.
think.
He put in the chat that he caught 20 on the rebreak at 9:25.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's in YouTube chat.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm becoming Jesus again with this light. It's not even that bright, but my camera makes me the whitest person on earth.
Oh shit.
No. You ever seen that movie Powder
Yeah.
with the white guy, bald white guy? That's
Yeah,
the whitest person on earth.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Did you see? You looked it up?
Yeah, I looked it up.
That is a strange movie. Because at the end of the movie, he gets hit by lightning and disappears. Like
Huh.
into the sky. He's just like one of God's children, just boom, gone.
There is some high dream stuff.
I've never read the explanation for that. Oh, are they getting the penalty? Yeah. Yo, they just called a penalty on the 97th minute for Mexico, Ecuador. Mexico's about to kick a penalty kick. 98th minute. He gave 8 extra minutes. This is what happened with England today. He gave 8 extra minutes.
What's the score at? 0-0?
0-0. A tie? Yo, Ecuador is 30 seconds from advancing. And if Mexico scores, they go through. Ecuador just needs a tie. Mexico needs a win. On the very last minute of added time in the game. That's a clear penalty. He's going to have to kick a penalty kick. Yeah, I think he's going to give him yellow. He's going to go to look at VAR. Yo, does that bother anybody? Honestly, I don't like the light show. I don't like the fact that shit's like moving around in the screen. I just like, it's like attention grabbing. It's annoying.
The RGB flow was pretty mild and still fun.
Yeah, that's a penalty kick. He kicked his leg out from underneath him when he's trying to make a play within the penalty area. Are they looking if he kicked the ball first? Hold on, so he's going to announce it. No penalty? Wow.
No way.
No penalty. He just... Honestly, I gotta say, the Copa America has been the worst referee tournament. I don't know why, but it always feels like they need Argentina to go through. The refs were clearly making calls one direction in the Argentina game. Like, it was hard for another team to get a call the other way of equal value. They would get calls, but not of the same value. That's tough. I think this tournament has been very political. Kick the ball! What the fuck was that? This is gonna be... That's it. That's it.
Just like karate kick that shit?
That's crazy. So they're gonna have...
Oh! Ooh.
You seen it? That's crazy. So now Mexico is out and the USA is probably out tomorrow. Scrubs.
Yeah, I forgot what game I was watching the other day. The other night when I was at the hotel. Was it with Nate? And I was like, Argentina scored and I put goal in it.
Oh wow, that closed right above. Damn, no top wick on that 15.
Or 5.
Well, yeah.
That's hourly.
But that's a good 30 candle. It's a gladiator candle on there. I don't know with this little level here to the left as well. This looks great on the 30. This looks great on the 1. But it doesn't look great on the 15 or the 30. Or the 5. And yeah, it's the smaller time frames, but in this case, I'd really want everything to fall in line here. There's a level, right? Because if we take the flip on the small time frames, there's levels right above it. It's not like clean range. Like if we were above this area, if this wasn't here, right? Yeah, I would need to get more closures. But this is a perfect gladiator candle when it comes to the higher time frame. It closed above, it gave you range above, and it had a bottom wick. So you shouldn't break this bottom wick if you want to come up. So if you're able to reject and then re-break the highs here. Yeah, I won't be in this. But I do like these memes in the meme channel. That's funny. Gang, I'm gonna call it a session here. I'm not gonna take a position on this candle. I'm probably gonna wait for more closures. Damn, that is lovely on the 30. Well, I won't be playing games with this 15 and 5. All right, gang, let's call it a session here. I'll see you guys here tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern. Same thing. I don't know if we have news tomorrow. Do we have news?
Yeah, we got PMI. It's NFP week.
Ooh,
So we got
that's
something
right.
every day, I think.
That's right.
Yeah, we got oh shit, Papa Powell speaking tomorrow at 9:30. And we got
His
Jones at
speech?
10. I mean, not tomorrow, Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah. But tomorrow, 10 a.m. PMI. So
Yeah,
9:45 and then 10. I think positions after 10 or before 9:30. That would be lovely.
Yeah.
So yeah, show up in the morning. I'll be in the Signal channel and in the clubhouse in
Oh
the
shit.
morning.
Thursday's a holiday.
Not for us.
Yeah, it's 4th of July.
Oh yeah, for us, dude, definitely holidaying.
Dang,
For
I don't know how I missed that earlier today. So wait,
Yeah.
so they're not running, oh shit, they're running unemployment on Wednesday instead
Instead of yeah.
of Thursday. Damn.
First 3 days should be a lot of fun. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday should be a lot of fun.
So NFP week with a holiday in between. Yeah.
Should be interesting.
Yeah.
So make sure you're on at 8 a.m. Make sure you're in the clubhouse chat because Javier's gonna be dropping some knowledge, right? I'll be in there.
Week.
Yeah, here all week. Me too. I'll be in there as well. All right, guys. It's been awesome. Been a great Sunday unfiltered. Congrats to everybody that held that by and got some dubs. And as for me, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna call it here. So you already know, just like that, another Asian session is in the books. Good night, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern.
Thanks, Wix.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Gotcha.